Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to turn a plain pair of sneakers into a colorful, unique fashion statement using candy pieces. First things first, you need to gather your supplies. We have a bunch of different candy options here, including gummies, M&Ms, and lollipops. But feel free to use whatever assortment you like. Now, the key to a good custom shoe is to start with a clean base. So make sure to wipe down your shoe and remove any dirt or debris. Next is the part where your creativity comes into play. This is where you decide where you want to place all your candy pieces. Have fun with it. Don't worry if you deviate away from the original plan of where you wanted to place your candy pieces. You have full creative freedom here. Use it and have fun. You also have the freedom to use whatever type of glue you want to use. My recommendation is to use the E6000 glue that I'm using, because once you put that glue on there, those things are on there. You're not going to have a little candy trail trailing behind your shoes when you're walking through the mall or when you're walking down the street, hearing little crackles. And nope, it's going to stick on. It's a good glue. That's the glue I recommend. Put the shoelaces back in to complete the shoe, and there you have it. A one-of-a-kind custom shoe that's sure to turn heads wherever you wear them. Look at the detail. Oh my God, those are sweet. Thanks for watching, you guys. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun DIY projects like this where I customize some shoes. If you want to purchase this shoe for yourself or your little one, you can get them at customfiends.com. Go blow the website up, put in your orders. I got you. Y'all don't forget to smile, be happy, make other people smile, and y'all don't forget to have a good day. I love y'all. Peace.